In this video, I'll show you how to do email marketing automation in a simple way. I'll show you everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end. Right after watching this video, you will be able to do the email marketing automation inside Systeme. So there are two ways to do email marketing automation. First one is by using these campaigns. So let me show you firstly by using the campaign. So let's click on this campaign. Now here you need to click on create campaign and then give this campaign a name, maybe test one, and write something in description if you want to, or if it is okay, just click on save and then again click on here, okay, and then click on add new, add an email. So now this will be your name, okay, whatever name you want to put, this will be your email address, and then you can use the visual editor, but I would suggest you to use this classic editor and click on create. So you can put the subject line, okay, so like test one, whatever subject you want to put you can, and just click on create. Now if you want to change the subject, you can change it from here. Now you can type anything you want at here and then just click on save. Now if you want to create another email, you can simply duplicate it or click on add an email and then again follow the process, okay. So after you have created all the sequence, just make sure to click on this publish so that this sequence will be published, okay. Now before publishing, you can see delay before sending. So how much delay you want, okay, like someone subscribed to your email, someone subscribed from your opt-in page, then you want to delay it for 5 minutes, you can select it, okay, 5 minutes or hours, day, whatever amount of time you want to select, you can select and then just click on publish. Now again you can click on this duplicate and duplicate this exact and say test 2, okay, best BB subject, change anything you want to change at here, okay, and then again click on save and publish and then say 1 day and then just click on publish. And if you want to select this after this, okay, previous email, 1 day after this email, and click on publish. In this way you can keep on creating this sequence from these campaigns. Now another way to do email marketing automation is by going to this automation and clicking on this workflows. So workflow seems like this. Before continuing, I have a small announcement for you. In case if you want to do each and everything inside Systeme with the help of easy to follow step-by-step tutorials, and my Systeme full course is for you. And I have given the link of that course in the description of this YouTube video. If you want to continue using Systeme for lifelong, then this course is going to be a must-have thing for you. Now let's continue with our video. Okay, so now you can just click on this create and then give this workflow a name. Maybe first WF, okay, whatever you want to give this workflow a name, you can give it and just click on save. And then again click on here. Now this is a little bit of visual type of thing, okay, like create your first trigger, okay. So whenever someone subscribe to a funnel, okay, then this workflow should start, and just click on here and choose the trigger funnel from subscribed and then select the funnel, whichever funnel you want to select, okay, you have created, just select any of these funnels, this one, and then just click on create. So now whenever someone subscribes to my email list from this exact funnel, okay, then they will start to receive this workflow. Now just click on add, okay, action, send an email. You can select the email that you have already created in the past from here, or you can just click on create a new one and give this a subject like SUB1, whatever you want to give it, you can give, and click on save and edit, and then you can change subject from here and again type something here, okay, and then see if there is something you can do more and then just click on save. So now this is going to be your email. So whenever someone subscribe to your email list, then they will immediately receive this email, okay. If you want to make some delay, okay, you can click on add, okay, and sorry, here click on delay. Okay, wait for like 5 minutes, you can do it. Click on create. So whenever someone subscribe to your list, they will wait for 5 minutes and then they will receive this email. Again, you can delay. Okay, and delay for like maybe 2 days, and then click on create. Okay, and then again click on here and then click on action and send them another email. And then you can choose from something that you have already created like this and click on choose. So in this way you can keep on adding email sequence, and this is, I think, going to be a better email marketing automation than campaign, because when you start to use this, then you will have more flexibility in the workflow. Okay, so once you have did all of this, then just click on this exit, and you can notice there is no, it says inactive. Okay, you just need to click on here and then click on activate. Okay, and then click on confirm. That's it, guys. It is as simple as this. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.